Hey, my name is Mitch Eilerman with RV Wholesalers here in Lakeview, Ohio. Today I'm going to go, basically we're taking a look at the Gray Wolf Black Label Edition. What's different from a regular Gray Wolf and a Black Label? A Black Label is going to give you fiberglass exterior, and it's going to be jam-packed with a ton of different features on it. The nice thing about Gray Wolf is it's a lightweight unit. They've got different models that fit everybody, you know, from something really small with no slide to something with a slide and bunks, no bunks, rear living, non-rear living. So they got a bunch of different options. They're not extremely tall, so they're going to be lightweight. A lot more vehicles can tow them. And then they'll be just, I mean, the biggest thing with the Black Label and Cherokee, Gray Wolf in general, is they're the #1 selling RV in the United States. So you've got great resale, and then they're very good quality as far as construction goes and all the different amenities that you got as well.